Hi, to enable night shift on your iPhone 16e, just open Settings on the phone and find Display and Brightness tab. After that, you need to scroll a bit down and you will see the section Night Shift. So, as you can see, this feature automatically shifts the colors of your display to the warmer end of the color spectrum after dark. And this may help you get a better night's sleep. So you can manually adjust color temperature by dragging this dot to the left side to make it less warm or to the right side to make it more warm. Now we can manually enable until turn off, and this is how it will look. Or we can set a schedule. So you can click here and choose when it will be enabled and when it will be turned off. But you can always set sunset to sunrise, so it will automatically turn on and off according to sunset or sunrise. To disable, just tap on the switcher so it will become white again, and that's it. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.